When I tell you that damn town hall meeting turned into a shit show, a circus, baby. And it was streamed live on YouTube. I mean on Facebook. It was so funny because first of all, if you live within this state, you know they've been made it clear that they have separated church and state a long, long time ago. Okay? Why are y'all holding a town hall meeting in a church? And who thought this was a good damn idea, Muffin? I just want to know who was the one that said, do it at the church. I don't know if that was like, um, it could have been a possible re-election year. I don't remember. It could have very well been. Who said, as the pastor, and they gonna come flock in my congregation? I got a word for them. Baby, whoever the fuck came up with that idea, baby, I am thankful for them. I am thankful for the stupidity of three men on that day. Baby, when I tell you it was a shit show, this the funny part. I used to go to that church. I left under that same person's leadership. I could spiritually see through him. Girl, I watched that live. I watched the live. Now, I would not step foot up in there. Girl, that man was, them people was, girl, they was so sick of me. And I didn't even hardly do nothing to them. I didn't even get them that work, but they knew I was not one. I wasn't. Their motto was sheep making sheep. You know, motherfucking sheep. I digress. But I used to go because my stepdad, that was his home church. And at the time, I was trying to build a foundation, you know, for my children. Being young and dumb. But as I sat, the longer I sat in here, I was like, girl, get your ass up out of here. You're going to have to lay hands, feet, and other objects on these motherfuckers. You cut from a different cloth. These are boomers stuck in their way. This is all they have. This is what they built. They own kids. Their own children, a lot of them, their own children didn't even come there. When I started going to that church, it was two kids. And that was that lady's kids. I think her grandparents and her parents went there. And she was a teacher in a neighboring city. And she would bring her kids probably like twice out of the month. And definitely on like Children's Sunday, because there weren't no other kids. And those were the only two kids that they would have in the front to do anything church related. So they pick and choose who they wanted to do what and how it went. So that's just laying the foundation of the church, because he came in after the pastor that did.